The brush tool is the most essential tool for digital painting in Photoshop. Click here or press B to activate the brush tool. Now click on the drop-down brush menu, select a brush. You can also adjust the size and hardness for the selected brush. Now you're ready to paint on your canvas. You can also adjust the brush size by pressing the bracket keys. Press the closing bracket key to increase the size, and press the opening bracket key to decrease the size. I'm painting on the background layer with the green color. If you want to paint on a new layer, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N and press Enter. Select a color by clicking here and choose a color. To paint like a straight stroke, click on an area with the brush tool and press Shift while you click on the other area. To erase an area, we need to activate the Erase tool by clicking here or pressing E on your keyboard. The Erase tool works same like the brush tool with the same brush presets. The only difference is this tool erases. You can also adjust the opacity and flow for both the brush tool and the eraser tool.